morning, dears. How are you? I hope everybody is fine and happy too, isn't it? So we were doing the chapter 2 fraction, isn't it? Fine. So in that we saw how to shade the fraction and how we are separating the fraction, how we are finding numerator and the denominator, isn't it? Now we are going to see comparison of fraction. Okay. Yes. Here you are going to compare fraction. You have two things in here. One is like fraction, another is unlike fraction. First we will do what is like fraction and next what is unlike fraction. Fine. So here comparison of fraction, when the denominators are same, the fraction with the largest numerator is the greatest. Here fractions are given for you. 3 by 5, 1 by 5, 4 by 5. The denominators are same. The denominators are same means it is like fraction. Understand? If the denominators are same, it is like fraction. So here the denominator is what? 5. Here 5. Here 5. So all the denominators are 5. So all the fractions are like fractions. Is it correct? Good. Now we are going to arrange this fraction in ascending order. What is ascending order? Yeah, very good. From small to big you are going to arrange. Now you take the denominators alone. Denominator is 5, isn't it? Now you are going to consider the numerator numbers. Now you can take and write the numerator number. What is numerator? 1, 3 and 4. Isn't it? Yes. So 1 is lesser than 3 and 3 is lesser than 4. So we have arranged and kept the numerator numbers. Now you can write it as such. So for 1, what is the fraction here? 1 by 5. So take and write 1 by 5. Next 3 by 5. Next 4 by 5. Here we have completed the ascending order. The reverse of that is descending order. Descending order means what? Big to small, isn't it? Big means 4 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 by 5. So this is what we have done for what? Like fraction. Now we are going to do for unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? You have numerator the same number here, isn't it? But the denominators are different. If the denominator you have different, it is called as what? Unlike fraction. The fraction with the different denominators are called unlike fraction. The condition is when the numerator are same, the fraction with the smallest denominator is the greatest fraction. The fraction with the smallest denominator will be the greatest fraction. Understand? Would you understand here? So now you listen to this figure, okay? Now listen, I have a chocolate for you, okay? In this, one full chocolate is there, okay? Right? I'm going to cut it into 5 pieces. So I have cut this into 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that you take only 2 pieces. So you see the length of the piece. Chocolate is big or small? Little big, isn't it? So 2 pieces you can take it now. Now the same chocolate I am going to cut it into 8 pieces. Okay, I cut it 8 pieces and again I am giving you only 2 pieces. Whether it is small or big? Yeah, it's little small, isn't it? Now what I am going to do, that same chocolate I am going to cut it in 10 pieces. Again I am giving you 2 pieces only. See, now you compare the fraction. So first 2 by 5 you got. There the piece is bigger. And 2 by 8 little smaller. 2 by 10 more smaller. So now you compare this fraction. 2 by 5, 2 by 8, 2 by 10. It is in book page number 37. Okay, fine. So you compare this fraction. What do you understand this? From this, what do you understand? The bigger fraction, the bigger number which is in the denominator is the smallest, isn't it? Smaller piece of chocolate, you got it. Am I right? Yes. So likewise, we are going to compare this. See here 3 by 11, 3 by 5, 3 by 7 is there. So here which will be the smallest? Yeah, 3 by 11 will be the smallest. So which will be the biggest? 3 by 5 will be the biggest, isn't it? So 3 by 5, 3 by 7, 3 by 11. So we can arrange it in the descending order. Same wise, if I want to arrange it in ascending order, how I'll arrange? 3 by 11 less than 3 by 7 less than 3 by 5. Understand now? Can you understand? So, in the fraction, in this kind of fraction, the number is bigger means it is what? It is lesser. You will get less. Understand? The denominator, the number is so big means it means that you are getting very lesser amount. It's less, a smaller number. Understand? Yes. Fine. Now, you can take page number exercise 2.2. Okay, 2.2. You are going to write two fractions that are greater than the given fraction. Here 3 by 7 is given already, isn't it? So you are going to write, with the help of this concept, you are going to write two numbers which is greater than the given fraction. Write two fractions that are greater than the given fraction. Here 3 by 7 is given. What we can write? So the denominator which is greater will be what? Less, isn't it? Yes. So we can write what? Lesser number than that, isn't it? So what do you write? I can write 3 by 2 and I can write 3 by 4. Isn't it? Yes. Good. Next, for this, can you say any two fractions you can say which is less? That is, you want greater means you have to write lesser number, isn't it? So what I can write? 7 by 10, 7 by 9. Okay, right. Likewise, write two fractions that are smaller than the given number. If it is, I want smaller number than this means what I have to write? I have to write little bigger, isn't it? So 4 by 7 and 4 by 9 I can write. Okay, likewise, you say one number for this. Yeah, in your mind you are writing. You can write any number, not what I have written. Okay, so likewise, if I write what I can write, I want to write, they are asking for fractions that are smaller than the given number. So if this is 4 by 5 is bigger means I have to write little smaller numbers. Isn't it? What is the smaller number? Yes. So 9 by, I can write 11 and 9 by 12. Okay. Yes. Fine. Now what I can do? Next is arrange in the ascending order. So now what we did now that we are going to do here. So ascending order means here the denominators are same. So what you can do, you can easily arrange, isn't it? As usual, 3 by, very good, 3 by 11 less than 7 by 11 less than 9 by 11. Good, right. So if the denominators are same, you can, as usual, how will you do the ascending and descending order for the ordinary number? You can do it. Here, 24, all the numerators are different, but the denominators are same. So what you can do? The biggest number will be the biggest, isn't it? The 16, 18 by 24 first number, so which is greater. Next is 16 by 24 is greater and 9 by 24. Okay, so 18 by 24 is the greatest. Okay, now we find how to easily you can do it, isn't it? Rest of the sums you can do it in the book itself. These all are book activity. Now we are going to see a new thing. Okay, your mom is giving you an apple and your sister also is there nearby you. Okay, imagine what your mom will do. Yeah, she will cut the apple into two equal halves, isn't it? She will give you one half to you, one half to the sister. So she made equal share and she did justice, isn't it? So she is giving equally to both of you. So the fraction that represent the same value are called equivalent fraction. Now imagine you take this page number 39. There is a picture given, isn't it? Here one chocolate. They have, what they did is they cut it into 3 pieces, isn't it? In that it is 1 by 3 is shaded. Yes, can you observe this? Yeah. Same chocolate, the length of the chocolate is same. Okay, but it is cut into 6 pieces. 6 pieces. In that shaded portion is 2. Okay. Can you imagine the length of the piece is same. Now you got same chocolate, it is cut it into 12 pieces. Yes. Can you observe? The same chocolate is cut it into 12 pieces and it was taken as 4 pieces to you. Okay. Now can you imagine the length is what? Very good. The same length I am getting, but the pieces only is different. Here I got 1 piece, here I got 2 piece, here I got 4 piece. So the fraction is 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 4 by 12, but all are same. 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6 is equal to 4 by 12. So how I will make this? So how to make this all are equal? How to make it? Now imagine the fraction that represent the same value are called equivalent fraction, isn't it? So now exercise 2.3, list 4 equivalent fraction they are asking. So how can I do it? First here I made it into 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1, isn't it? Likewise, I have to multiply and get it your answers. So how will I do it? So first 2 by 5, isn't it? First step, what I will do is 2 by 5 into 1 into 1. What I get? 2 ones are 2. 5 ones are 5. First step finished. Next one, 2 by 5 into 2 into 2. So I multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Understand? So what I get? 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Okay. Next step. What I'll do? 2 by 5 into 3 into 3. So the numerator as well as the denominator with the same number I have to multiply. So what I get? 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So they are asking 4 equivalent fractions. So you can't consider this 1. Okay. So you have to do it for 4 times. So 1, 2 have finished and 3 times it is 2 by 5 into 4 into 4. So what I get? 2 4s are 8 and 5 4s are 20. Next 2 by 5 into 5 into 5. So what I get? 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Understand? Now I can take it and write that fraction. So 2 by 5, the equivalent fractions are 4 by 10, 6 by 15, that is equal to 6 by 15, that is equal to 8 by 20, that is equal to 10 by 25. So I got 4 equivalent fractions for 2 by 5. Understand? Is it clear? So when I multiply the same number with numerator and the denominator, I get the same kind of fraction. To understand it, see here, I took the fraction 10 by 25, isn't it dear? So 2 by 5 is here. See here, 10 by 25, if I divide it, this is 5 table, isn't it? When I divide it by 5, isn't it? What I get dear? So what will get? 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 2 by 5 again I will get it. Understand? So it means that 2 by 5 is equal to 10 by 25. Understand? So the meaning is same. That is what it is called as equivalent fraction. Is it clear? That you can do it in the book, the equivalent fraction and the exercise 2.3. Okay. Rest of the 2 sums you can do it. Now, I want to make some numbers into simple form. I have a bigger number. I want to make it into simplest form. How I can make it into simplest form? So here, 6 by 15 is here. How I can make this number into simplest form? So first, what I can do it. So first, so imagine 6 and 15 is there. Imagine these two numbers will come in third table. Isn't it? Very good. So what I can do is, I will divide this number with the 3. With the numerator and the denominator same number. See, 6 by 15. Okay. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Both the numerator and the denominator I will divide it by 3. What I will get? Just to multiply the table with this. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So I will write how many times only out. Is it clear? Right. Next 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, isn't it? So how many times? That times I'll take it and write it here. Is it clear, dear? Yes. I want to make this bigger number into simpler number. That's all. That is my motive. Understand? So that is the question. Express each fraction in its simplest form. Is it clear? I hope you can understand. First step, what you have to do, you have to see the both number. In which table it is going, you have to observe. So I can say that it is both the numbers should go in the same table. So both number, it goes in third table. So 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 50. That's all. Understand? Same thing shall I do here? You are going to say. Now 5 by 10. When you see, look it by looking, you can say it is what? Very good, 5 table. So I divide it by what? 5 and down also 5. So 5, same number when you divide it, what you get? Answer is very good, 1. Then 5 twos are 10. So answer is 1 by 2. Likewise, you can complete the other number. I hope we have completed these exercises. With the help of this, you can do your worksheets. In worksheets, if you have any doubt, we will correct everything in the Zoom interaction. So you do the worksheet and come with the answer. We can check your answers. Thank you, dears.